Hello everybody, today we make a shrimp oreganato. And I got it right over here, everything in front of me. And look how beautiful shrimp I got. Now, we got 1 pound of shrimp. 1 pound of shrimp, it's a 20. Okay, this is shrimp, it's the 16 to the 20. We got parsley, butter, we got a panko breadcrumb, garlic, and I got a fresh oregano from my garden every year. And we got a Sette Stelle, Rucca beautiful wine. A lot of people ask me, Pasquale, but I don't know the clean. And I want to show everybody the way I clean. Now, this is the way I clean all the time. You take it over here, and you see, you do like this, and you peel off the shrimp, and you take the thing out over here for the tail. After that, you clean up and you make the like this, and you clean up and you wash with the cold water, okay? And you clean like this. Now, you take the pair of seeds and you stick right over here like that, and you cut it. Now, so you want to keep the tail, reach over here and stop. When you stop, look, and you clean. But see, you want to take the tail out, do all the way, and you take the tail out, and you keep like this, look. That's it. And you peel off. Before I wash, I want to butterfly the same like I did this the 17 shrimp. You cut, but watch your finger when you cut like this. You gotta be really thin, you see? And you gotta butterfly. After you butterfly the shrimp nice, you gotta wash, and you gotta take the little poop. You see, this is the poop. The black stuff, you gotta take it out. And now let me wash with the cold water. You see this? You gotta take it out, you see? And you pull out. Okay, this is done. And this, you see over here, this little line? Now this I call it poop. People call it different, I don't know. Now we gotta do the garlic. I smash the garlic, it gets more easy. So you do the garlic with a knife like this, maybe you can chop your finger. Like this, it's flat, and when you cut it now, it's more easy for you using the knife. If you do like this, and you chop it really, really good. And like this, you can say la la li la 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 la. Pura po punzi punzi pera, pura pi punzi punzi pa. La la, pizza fritte baccalà. Okay, now the garlic is done, and we put on this dish. Okay, after we gotta go on the stove, we put the gas on, oil, and we use a little butter. Melt the butter. One time the butter is melted down, we put the garlic. But the only thing you gotta make sure do not burn the garlic, do not come black. It gotta be really beautiful color. Lower the gas, and now it's the time for the garlic. Alright, look at the garlic, it gotta be really nice color. Do not burn. And the smell already is so good. We lower the flame. And now it's the time of the panko bread. Over here, what we gotta do for the shrimp. And let's go. We mix it really, really good. One time it's mixed good. And we put a little bit more butter and mix it together. Now today I use a panko breadcrumb, but see, you want to use a regular breadcrumb, it's good. Okay, now the panko bread is ready, and now it's time, because you don't gotta cook it too much. This is a nice fresh parsley, And we give oregano. We need oregano. They call it shrimp oreganata. A little black pepper. A little salt. And we give a nice turn on this. You see the bread, only you gotta toast a little bit with the oil and butter. Like I said, make sure they're not burn. Look the color, beautiful. You see, this you give a nice saute. Saute, saute, saute. Watch it, Pasquale, you not go on the floor. Okay? Now we bring on the table and we gotta do for the shrimp. We put a little oil on this dish, like this the shrimp is no stick. And we put a little oil, both sides. I gotta use a little wine, and a little wine on the barley give a good taste for the shrimp. All right. Okay. That's it. Now make sure everything is good. Now we put the bread, the frost over here like this, a sprinkle on the top of the shrimp. Look how beautiful it look. Really, really good. You take each one and we put on this dish. Do not shake too much. You got the bread on the top and we do it like this. This one it's for me. One dish 10 and 10 for my wife. Now what you do on this, I pick it up with a spoon. I don't want to put my finger inside over here. I touch the fish. And look at that. Okay, good. Look how beautiful look this dish. Now I do the other one. And we do the same way I did the first one. Okay, now it go in the oven. I got the oven on 400 degrees. And let's put inside. Look how beautiful. You can look at this one that we take it out. Okay, now you gotta cook a little bit more, a couple more minutes. And what I do, you take out, make sure to close the oven, and you pour a little butter right on the top over here like this. Okay, keep it nice, everything beautiful. And when the butter is melted down, you take it out. Okay. Now go back in the oven for about 2 or 3 minutes. Okay. See how beautiful it look? Really, really good. Oh, look, it no stick not. Nice. Now I want to taste. We need a little lemon on the top. All right. Okay, let's taste. Oh, look how beautiful it look, huh? It's cooked perfecto, perfect. It's nice crunchy. And with a little wine, I want to say salute e cincin to everybody. I hope somebody make that. It's really, really good. Chin chin e salute, and we see next time. Chin chin, salute. Thank you.